We're dedicated to building machines of the highest quality, so we also produce many major components like engines ourselves. And to ensure that our engines always perform at their peak, our expert engineers have developed a range of engine oils optimized to meet typical heavy-duty requirements. Sludge and dirt are by far the most prominent cause of engine failure. John Deere Plus 52 engine oil delivers the cleaning power to fight these threats, effectively reducing friction and wear, cooling moving parts and helping to seal cylinders and valve stems. Plus 52 premium engine oil has been designed to provide advanced lubricating performance in most diesel engine generations, including modern low-emission ones. Plus 52 engine oil is perfect for most severe demands and extreme operating temperatures. Reduces your cost of operation, extended drain intervals up to 750 hours. Is an excellent full fleet solution. Is perfect for current low-emission engines as well as older engines. Has a very good low-temperature performance. Protects the engine, inhibits wear, corrosion, sludge, soot and oxidation. Visit your John Deere dealer. Find out more on www.deere.com. Download the John Deere Oil app, John Deere Lubricant Solutions.